Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we'll know how can we convert the unit rates. You will find in question number 1. In this problem, we need to find the answer to the nearest 100. The number 1, we have 20 miles per hour. We need to find the answer if the rate is equal to feet per minute. At the first, look at the unit. You will find that we have here mile becomes feet. As we know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And if you look, you will find that we have here hour becomes a minute. So just write the unit. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. To solve the question, at the first write the given rate. Now you need to remove the mile. To remove the mile, just write the equation. We have here 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Once we have two equal quantities and divide them by each other, you will find that the answer will be equals 1. So it means when you multiply by any amount, it doesn't change anything. Now we just write the fraction. Mile is up, so just write mile down. You need to replace it with feet. Mile now is equals to 1, just write 1. And the feet is equal 5,280. Now multiply. We just need to remove the hour and replace it with minute. So hours down, just write it up. And now we have here hour, just to replace it with minute. Hour now is equals to 1. For each 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Just write 60. Now you just need to multiply. At the first we have here mile, just cancel with mile. Hour will be cancelled with hour. So just by simplifying, you will find that the answer will be equals to 1,760. The only unit that we have at numerator, which is feet. And the only unit that we have in denominator, which is minute. So it means the answer now will be equals 1760 feet per minute. Again in question number 2. We have 16 centimeter per minute is equal to how many meter per hour? Number 1. We need to change the centimeter to be meter. As we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And we have here the minute becomes hour. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to solve the question, just write the rate. So the rate that we have 16 centimeter per 1 minute. Now multiply it by the first fraction that we have. If you need to remove the centimeter and centimeter is up, just write it down. You need to replace the centimeter with meter. Now look at the relation we have 1 with meter and 100 with centimeter. Just time. You need to replace the minute with hour. Minute that we have now down, just write it up. And you need to replace it with hour. Write it down. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now you can solve. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 9.6. Just look at the unit that we have. Cancel centimeter and centimeter. Minute and minute. You will find that the only unit that we have up, which is meter. And the only unit that we have down, which is hour. And that will be the required. So the answer now will be equal 9.6. By the same way, we can solve question number 3. We have 45 miles per hour. We need to find that's equal to how many feet per second. As we know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. And now just write the given rate. 45 miles per hour. Now multiply them. You need to replace the mile and the mile is up, so just write it down. You need to replace it with feet. We know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet times. Now we will replace hour with second. Hour now is down, so just write it up. And second will be down. We have 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So it will be equals. By solving the question, you will find that the answer will be equal to 66. Now write the units. We have mile and mile. Hour will be cancelled with hour. So the only unit which remainder up, which is feet. And the only unit which remainder down, which is second. So the answer now will be equal to 66. By the same, we have question number 4. 26 centimeter per second is equal to how many meter per minute? Just write the unit. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now just write the given rate, 26 centimeter per second, multiplied by. We just need to replace the centimeter with meter. The centimeter will be written down, and the meter will be up. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters times. We just need to replace the second with minute. We just write the second up, and the minute will be down. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. By solving the question, you will find that the answer will be equals to 15.6. Now for the unit. Cancel centimeter and centimeter, second and second. You will find that the only unit will be written up, which is meter, and the only unit which written down, which is minute. So it will be meter per minute. And that's how can we convert the unit rates.